Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can age up your pets more than the max level of age and grow a garden. The max age, not the max level of age, the max age of a pet here is at 100. And as you can see, if you turn left here, that there's a new chamber near the gear shops. So you're just going to want to turn left. You do need a dupe, and your pet needs to be a minimum of 100, like the age. So I have this rhino here. I'm just going to submit pet. It says pet age break machine, select dupe. So press E, and here is the dupe. The cost is 5 billion shekels, and you're going to press submit. Are you sure you want to use this pet as a dupe? Press confirm. And it's going to fuse that pet that you have into this higher level pet. Press confirm. And it's going to take 1 hour and 30 minutes. So yeah, that is it. That is how you can use this machine. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.